If you want to grow organic grapes, this is for you. Growing organic grapes isn't just about delicious fruit. It's about working in harmony with nature. By avoiding chemical fertilizers and pesticides, you create a healthy environment for your plants and for yourself. Instead, you'll use natural compost, organic soil boosters, and beneficial insects to protect and nourish your vines. Choosing the right grape variety, improving your soil, and encouraging biodiversity are key steps to a successful harvest. Whether you're a beginner or just curious, organic grape growing is both rewarding and sustainable. And the best part? Your grapes won't just taste better. They'll be better for the planet too. Now is the perfect time to turn your dream of organic vineyards into reality.